Good morning students, class 10. Yesterday I got forwarded a video to you related to the section formula. Okay, remembering? In section formula, in this formula, when there was a line segment formed of 2 points, any point we can name it M, it is in between. And suppose this is M1, this is M2, so change its name. Let us say it, okay, O, okay. The coordinates of P are x1, y1, and the coordinates of Q are x2, y2, and the coordinates of x is O is x, y. This point O is dividing this line segment PQ in the ratio M1 ratio M2, okay. So, the relation between x1, y1, x2, y2, xy, m1, m2 is what? It is given by a formula. Formula was x equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. And y we were having by the formula m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2, okay. And this actually this was the case first. Case first means here this point O means when O is not the midpoint. This point O is dividing PQ in the ratio M1 ratio M2, but this O is not the midpoint. So, I said it, so I just taken it as a case first. If I will say case second means in this case, suppose this is again, this is P, this is Q, this is O, its coordinate is x1, y1, its coordinates are x2, y2, it is x, y, okay. And in this case, O is the midpoint. Means when O is midpoint. So, what is the relation between this thing? Always remember one thing, if O is the midpoint, it means if I will say PO upon OQ. In this case, I had just told you, no? PO upon OQ was M1 upon M2. But in this case, PO upon OQ, when O is the midpoint, ratio is 1:1. Means if this is the midpoint, it means it is 1:1. Always keep this thing in mind. If suppose this is a line formed of P, Q, R, S. PQ is equals to QR, QR is equals to RS. It means the ratio is 1:1:1. That is why I had just told you here, when O is the midpoint, then the value of M1 and the value of M2 will be 1. Okay? Now, see in this question, if it is the midpoint, then what is the relation between these coordinates? X will be equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y will be equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. And this is not a new thing. Just see in this, value of m1 is 1, value of m2 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 into 1 means we will get here x2, we will get here x1. That is why I said when O is the midpoint, then x is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay, I think concept is clear, and we will start our exercise 7.2. So, write down these concepts in your fair copy in a very proper way as taking two cases, case first and case second when O is not the midpoint, second case when O is midpoint. Okay. Now, read question number 1 from your from your books. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. सो क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग हमें उस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालने हैं जो इन दोनों पॉइंट्स को, कोई दो पॉइंट्स है हमारे पास कोई भी दो पॉइंट है जो हमारे क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, विच पॉइंट्स -1, 7 एंड 4, -3. सो क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग हमें उस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट निकालने हैं जो इन दोनों पॉइंट्स के जॉइन कराओ, मान लो ये वो पॉइंट है, ठीक है, डिवाइड कर रहा है इन रेशियो 2:3. सो दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, मीन्स कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ x, y. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ m1 एंड दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ m2. इज इट क्लियर? Ratio was 2:3, it means it is 2, and this part is okay 3. It is m1, this is m2. These coordinates are x1, y1, they are x2, y2. तो मैंने पहले ही कहा है कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में किसी भी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के पहले, फॉर्मूले में अप्लाई करने के पहले जो उसका यूज़ है इन द फॉर्मूला उसको पेंसिल से मार्क कर लिया करो, जिससे वैल्यू पुट करने में मिस्टेक ना हो. इज इट क्लियर? सो x इक्वल्स टू m1 x2 प्लस m2 x1 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. नाउ वी हैव टू जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट दी वैल्यू. इसलिए मैंने कहा था कि m1 मैंने मार्क कर दिया, m2 मैंने ठीक है मार्क कर दिया, x1 मार्क है, x2 मार्क है. ओके, नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट दी वैल्यू. m1 मीन्स 2, x2 इज 4 प्लस m2 3, x1 is -1, and always substitute the negative value in bracket upon m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3. 4 2s are 8, plus minus minus 3 1 ja 3, 3 plus 2 5. 8 minus 3 how much? 5. 5 upon 5, so answer will be 1. In the same way we will find the coordinates of y. First of all write the formula. m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. What is m1? 2, y2 -3 plus m2 3, y1 7 upon m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 3. 3 2s are -6 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 5. -6 plus 21, it will give 15 upon 5. 5 3s are 15. Therefore, needed point coordinates. So, what is our answer? Our answer was x, y value means it is value of x is 1 and the value of y is 3. This is our needed answer. Okay, note it. Okay students, now read question number 2 from your books. Find the coordinates of the point of the trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, 3. Means दो पॉइंट है, एक ही, फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज 4, -1, सेकेंड पॉइंट इज -2, -3. इज इट क्लियर? सेकेंड पॉइंट इज -2, -3. थोड़ा सा दूर लिखो इसे, -2, -3. If we will join them, it will become a line segment, and we have to find the coordinates of the points which is dividing this line into 3 equal parts. Trisection means 3 equal parts. So we can say this point and this point. It means this part will be equal to this and this part will be equal to this. Just give the name P, Q, R, S. Okay. So we have to find out the coordinates of the point Q and R, and this Q and R, it's dividing this line PS into 3 equal parts. Okay. Since all the parts are equal, it means we can take the ratio 1, here also 1 and here also 1. This thing I had just explained you in the concepts. Is it clear? So just give them some name. It is actually x1, y1. It is x2, y2, and give it name. We can give it the name x, y. So give it some different name. We can give it x0, or we can say x dash comma y dash. Okay. So first of all, we have to find out the coordinates of either q or r. So we can find out q from p to q. It is 1. Okay, clear? And from q to s, 1 plus 1. So this part will be 2. Just see on the board that how I had taken the ratio. Is it coming clear or not? See, I am showing it again. See here. This is P, this is Q, and this is S. Okay? From here it is 1. P to Q it is 1, and from Q to S 1 plus 1. So its ratio will be 2. So we are having, this is our M1, this is our M2, and P was 4 comma minus 1 means x1 comma y1, and S minus 2 comma minus 3 means x2 comma y2, and the coordinate of q are x comma y. मैंने क्या किया, मैंने इस क्वेश्चन को देखने का नज़रिया ही चेंज कर लिया. पी एस एक लाइन हो गई, पॉइंट क्यू हो गया. अभी मैं सिर्फ फोकस करूंगा क्यू पे, अभी मुझे आर नहीं निकालना है. ओके. तो मेरे पास m1 भी है, m2 भी है, x1 y1 भी है, x2 y2 भी है, एंड आई हैव टू फाइंड xy, एंड आई थिंक I get done question number 1 in the same way. We can find out the coordinates of x comma y. Okay. So x will be equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. What is m1? 1. x2 minus 2 plus m2 2, x1 4. Just check the values. m1 1, x2 minus 2 plus m2 means 2 into x1 means 4 upon m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2. It will minus 2 plus 8 upon 3. So answer will come how much? 6 upon 3. Answer will be 2. In the same way I can find the coordinate y. First of all we have to write the formula. Okay. In denominator, denominator m1 plus m2, and in numerator m1 y2 plus m2 y1. Just solve it. m1 plus m2 means 1 plus 2. m1 1 into y2 minus 3 plus m2 2, y1 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 2 upon 3 means minus 5 upon 3. So the coordinates of q are 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. Coordinates of q, how much? 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the coordinates of r also. So see on the board. Okay, note this thing in a proper way. This is done. Now we have to find out the value of x dash and y dash. See it. If you will see in a very proper way from P to R, just see from P to R. This is P, this is R, this is Q. This part is equal to this part, means if I will see PR segment, then Q is the midpoint. It means I can use the shortcut formula here. See, coordinates of PR 4 comma minus 1, not Q, sorry, R. What I am saying, this is Q, okay, it is x comma y, and this is R, it is x dash y dash. Okay. This is P 4 comma minus 1, its coordinates are, and we have denoted x1 y1. This is q x comma y, and this is r x dash y dash, and for PR q is the midpoint. Okay, and we are having the value of xy also. Okay, just we had find out previously in our question the value of xy 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. Okay, so just apply the formula. Okay, so this thing x equals to x1 plus this one, x dash divided by 2. Okay. So, can we solve it? Yes. Just see it here. Value of x is 2, x1 is 4, x dash we have to find out. Okay. Okay, transpose it. 2 2s are 4 is equals to 4 plus x dash, 4 is cancelled by 4, there means x dash equals to 0. Okay. In the same way we can find out okay, y dash also. First of all, write the formula. This y will be equals to the y1 प्लस y डैश डिवाइडेड बाई 2. बात समझ में आई? ये जो बीच का होता है x, इसकी वैल्यू होती है इन दोनों x को सम करके डिवाइडेड बाई 2. ये जो बीच का y होता है इसकी वैल्यू होती है दोनों y को ऐड करके डिवाइडेड बाई 2. नाउ वी हैव टू जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू एंड फाइंड आउट अवर आंसर. ओके. सी y माइनस 5/3, y1 माइनस 1 प्लस y डैश अपॉन 2. Send it. Minus 10/3 is equals to minus 1 plus y dash, or y dash will be equals to, okay, transpose it here, minus 10/3 plus 1 means we have to take the LCM, minus 10 plus 3, so answer will come minus 7/3. So the coordinates of the point are 0, minus 7/3. Hence, coordinates of R, they were x dash, y dash means 0, minus 7/3. Is it clear? So, what you have to do, you have to write the concept in your fair copies, you have to solve question number 1 and question number 2, okay, from here, and you have to do question number 3 in homework. Okay. So, complete the work of exercise 7.2 up to question number 3 in your fair copies in a very proper way, and in our next video we will do the further questions. Okay. Thank you very much.